What would you do if a mysterious door appeared in your room every night at exactly 12 o'clock a.m.? A door that wasn't there during the day. A door that led to a place where you could see the future version of yourself. Would you open it? Or would you pretend it never existed? This is the story of a boy named Noah, who made a choice that changed his life forever. Story. Noah was 17 years old. He lived an ordinary life. He went to school, played video games, watched videos online, and spent most of his time saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." Tomorrow was his favorite word. He would start studying tomorrow, exercise tomorrow, learn new skills tomorrow, chase his dreams tomorrow. But somehow, tomorrow never came. One night, after wasting another day, Noah fell asleep. The digital clock beside his bed showed 11:59 p.m. Tick, tick, tick. Then suddenly, 12 o'clock a.m. A loud creaking sound echoed through his room. Rediac. Noah sat up immediately. His eyes widened. A wooden door had appeared in the corner of his room. A door that had never been there before. His heart started racing. Slowly, he walked toward it. The old door looked ancient. Strange symbols were carved into the wood. A small silver handle reflected the moonlight. For several minutes, Noah simply stared. Finally, he grabbed the handle and opened the door. On the other side was another room. A room that looked exactly like his own, except someone was sitting at the desk. The person slowly turned around. Noah almost screamed. It was him, 10 years older. The future version of himself. The older Noah smiled. "I was wondering when you'd finally open the door." For a moment, neither of them spoke. Then young Noah asked, "Am I dreaming?" The older Noah laughed. "I asked the same question when I first came here." Young Noah sat down. His mind was spinning. He had 1,000 questions. The first one came out immediately. Do I become successful? The older Noah looked away. For the first time, his smile disappeared. And that answer terrified Noah. Over the following nights, Noah kept returning. Every midnight, the mysterious door appeared. Every midnight, he talked with his future self. At first, he expected amazing secrets. Lottery numbers. Business ideas. Predictions. But instead, the older Noah only talked about regrets. The opportunities he ignored. The chances he never took. The dreams he postponed. Again and again. Because of one word, tomorrow. One night, the older Noah pointed toward a wall. The wall was covered with photographs. Young Noah walked closer. Every photo showed a different version of his future. One picture showed him becoming an athlete. Another showed him becoming a successful entrepreneur. Another showed him traveling the world. Another showed him speaking confidently on stage. Hundreds of possibilities. Hundreds of futures. Young Noah stared in amazement. Which one is real? The older Noah replied quietly, none of them. What do you mean? They disappear every time you choose not to act. The room suddenly began changing. The photographs started fading. One by one. Dreams disappearing. Possibilities vanishing. Future opportunities turning into dust. Young Noah watched in horror. Why is this happening? The older Noah looked directly into his eyes. Because every day you wait, another possibility dies. Those words hit harder than anything Noah had ever heard. For the first time, he understood something. Life wasn't waiting for him. Time wasn't slowing down. Every day mattered. Every choice mattered. Every action mattered. The next morning, Noah woke up with a different mindset. For the first time in years, he didn't say tomorrow. He started today. He studied. He exercised. He learned. He improved. Little by little. Day by day. Month by month. The mysterious door continued appearing. But something was changing. Each time Noah entered, his future self looked different. Healthier, more confident, more successful. The room became brighter. The photographs stopped disappearing. Instead, new ones appeared. Better futures. Stronger futures. Happier futures. Years passed. Noah transformed his life. Not because of magic. Not because of luck. But because he finally understood the value of today. Then one night, exactly 10 years later, the door appeared one final time. Noah opened it. The room was empty. No future version. No photographs, nothing. Only a note lying on the desk. He picked it up. The note read, "You don't need me anymore. Your future is now in good hands." Slowly, the door disappeared forever. And Noah smiled, because he finally understood the greatest secret of success. The future isn't built tomorrow. It's built today. One choice at a time. One action at a time. One day at a time. Moral of the story: the biggest mistake people make is believing they have more time. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop saying tomorrow. Because the life you want is created by what you do today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.